Guys, welcome here to Jupiter, Florida. This is the 445 Riviera SUV. I personally am kind of new to Florida. If you've watched some of my videos in the past, you know that we're sold a lot of Tiaras, a lot of stuff on the West Coast. I just got on this boat for the first time. I tell you, it really blew my mind that in comparing it to the Tiara. A lot of space outside, extra seating out here, barbecue grill over here is nice. A lot of seating inside, huge L lounge in comparison. Large galley, windows open up to walk in. Dual helm to sit at instead of just a single helm. Great visibility around the windows. And downstairs you really actually have two bedrooms. I mean, you've got a forward bedroom here with its own head. You've got an aft cabin that actually has 3 places to sleep and its own head. And the price is under what the Tiara is. If you're looking for that new coupe look that's out there, you need to come here and look at this Riviera. Give me a call. My name's Rick. It's at the bottom. We'll get you set up to come look at this boat out here. Thanks for watching. Guys, as you can see on the screen, we have locations all around southern Florida: Miami, Jupiter, Dania, and Deerfield. This boat happens to be in Jupiter right now, but if you get a chance, give us a call and come look at it.